Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sheena from Luna Rosu, and today is sort of a really special video. Today I am doing an unboxing of a vintage monthly subscription box by Your Creative Studio. About 2 weeks ago, Amanda, who's the owner of this lovely operation here, she reached out to me and she sent me this box, which is the July vintage theme box, and it comes with all these gorgeous goodies. The pricing for this one is, it's at $28.15 I think for a month, but you have the option to do either a 2 or 3 month subscription in advance, which makes things I think a lot cheaper, which is about maybe $4. I think I'll link all the information in the description box, and also a link to her website. And so yeah, so this is the box you get. This is the July one, and it's filled with so many goodies. If you love that really vintage theme, there's so many things that you can do with this, especially if you're into, you know, bullet journaling, or if you're just making junk journals like me. So in the box you get a card, which is really pretty. I love the details, the design on this. This is from Amanda. So with the card, she has also, you know, invited you to let her know what sort of items you'd like to see more in the future boxes. So it's great, so she, you know, she could have an idea of what you might prefer more. And so inside the box you get, sorry, I haven't actually gone through the whole box, so this is sort of an ooh-ah moment for me too. So this is like a sort of a mini little book here. Sorry, I think this is sort of like a memo pad. So inside you have all this really adorable size craft paper that you can write short notes, and then I guess you could put it into your journal. So I thought that was cute. This is sort of a vintage looking design here, so that's super cute. And let's see, we also have some vintage labels, so I'm excited about this one. Let's see how it looks like inside. Let's see. So you have, ooh, okay, awesome. Okay, so these are, so you get a few sort of copies of these, so that's great. So, you know, you can use them and things like that. It's not just one design and then that's it. Yeah, so you've got different sizes and things like that. This would be super awesome, I think, for a botanical journal if you're doing one. And the color is really great. I think one thing is, like, everything sort of comes with this sort of color theme as well. And you have letter word stickers, which is great if you if you don't have your own typewriter. It's kind of cool to have all these phrases in here that's, you know, easy to use. Sometimes I get a little lazy with a typewriter because you got to put in the paper and things like that. So this is great for, you know, these easy things, and just, you know, put it into your journal. Oh, that's really cute. And what is this? Record your live meal. This I think this is another sort of a notebook. Let's see. Ah, okay. So this one, okay, so if you are making, you know, like a recipe journal, or maybe, you know, if you really like documenting, you know, if you're a foodie, I think this is a great place to start. You could write down the menu, the place, and I think even if you don't want to write, you can actually put if you have a Polaroid camera, I think this would be great to, you know, sort of clip this onto your picture, so you have at least a record, and you can decorate your journal with it. And let's see, yes, stamps. So I think you have the design here. So I think this is sort of a mushroom stamp. So okay, so this is how this one looks like. That's really cool. I've been looking for some botanical stamps as well, and I don't think I have mushrooms, if I remember. So that's great. Also, I've been sort of really wanting to create a botanical collection I haven't done one in so long, so I think this would be super great. And I know, you know, everybody loves that botanical floral kind of journal, so this is an awesome addition to your collection. And this one is Return. So this is, I think, a lot. So I think this one would be great if you're doing sort of a travel journal, or this is stamp that you can take with you, so you can journal while, you know, on vacation and things like that. So let me put her back in there. And then we also get 2 washi tapes in this box. So one is sort of like a ticket washi right there, so you have some popcorn and some glasses, some film reels, and then I think this is more of like an industrial one. So I see a train, a steam train engine here, and some sort of, I think this is like a machinery. So excellent if you're doing a steampunk kind of theme, which is a theme that I haven't quite tried my hands at, so that would be an interesting thing to do. I think this one would be similar to this one. So this is a meal one, and this is about mode of life. So let's have a look at it. Let's see. So this one is okay. So this one is sort of like tickets and things like that. So I think this is quite in a way generic, so that's good because you can sort of use it for a lot of things. I think you can sort of perforate the edges here if you want, and then sort of use it like a ticket and, you know, tear it whenever you want. Then decorate your journal. Oh, that's pretty cool actually. So you have this one and this one, and then we also have some really pretty floral and botanical stickers here. Like I said, this would be really awesome to have. So you have all these really gorgeous stickers, and if you're like me, you're really fussy cutting is so not my thing. I try a lot of times, but it's kind of, you know, tiring. So I think the stickers are super great, and I know they're sort of vellum stickers, so when you stick it on something, it doesn't you know, have that super white border around it. So this is really cool to have, and you know, you can never have enough of, you know, botanical stickers. And let's see, what else do we have in here? So we have a few bookmarks. I think these are bookmarks. So these are vintage looking bookmarks. So there's 3 types of, you know, what I call texture images. So you have some typewritten one, a map, and some script here. So that's kind of cool to have. You can journal on the back of that as well. And inside here, okay, hold on, let me just go through the ones that are here. So you also get another set of clear stamps. So this is really cool. So this one has vintage, some mail one, some post, some present, some typewriter, calligraphy. Okay, so again, I think this is super great if you really love doing a lot of personal journaling, which I'm guilty of not finishing my previous personal journal. But you know, things like these are the ones that, you know, really encourage you to start journaling more. And then Amanda has also included some really gorgeous papers right here, and the colors, what I love about these are that the colors really go together. So it's vintage, but you know, you have hints of green, which is, you know, throughout all the paper collections, which is great. Again, this is great for steampunk. This is, you know, an overall, might even be great for Christmas actually. This one, again, floral botanical journal. This one, of course, this kind of pattern can go with just pretty much everything and anything vintage. And I think this could go for anything as well. So that is really cool. I think these are a 6x6 if I'm not mistaken. And then you also have what's in here. So see. So in here we have, okay, hold on, let me make sure I took everything out. So here you have, oh, so these are vellum, sorry, let me try to focus. So these are vellum printed papers. So you have all your mushrooms and a really gorgeous floral here. So I have some ideas of what I want to do with these, again with the botanical theme, and she's put it into this little mini envelope here, which is great. She's left it very great because, you know, you can sort of get creative with it. So, and also don't forget to keep the paper that's used to, you know, wrap the products in so that you can reuse it. Even the wrinkled part, that's the best part, guys. So yeah, so I will leave all the information about this gorgeous subscription box down below.